So after your deadpan stare, I'm going to be your mirror in this. You're going to turn over your right shoulder, walk around, and then look over your right shoulder again. You're going to tilt your pelvis forward and lean your shoulders back, and then you're just going to extend your right leg out, and then your left leg, and then your right leg, and then your left leg again. So 4 walks. Now, the way that she does this in the video, I believe this is definitely inspired by Fosse, and the way Fosse does it is with a straight leg, but I've seen some interpretations with people kind of hiking their knee up. It's hard to tell in the official video what she's doing, but I'm just doing this with a little bit of a bent knee just because I'm running out of space, but it's free for your own interpretation. So for the next part, we're just going to face front, lean forward slightly, and we're going to wave the arms just like we did before, lifting from the elbow and the wrist. And the only difference to this movement is we're adding a little head. So here's the arms, but then we're just going to add a little bounce and head, kind of like you're clucking like a chicken, and you're leaning forward and you're just waving the arms. And we do this for 8 counts. Now at the end of this, you're going to twirl the arms. So my left arm is going first, and then my right arm is following. It's just a wave in a circular motion as you turn to the right, and then everything drops down. So let's do all of that again from the top. We have our deadpan stare, and then we walk around, and then we look over our right shoulder. And then we have our 4 walks, 1, 2, 3, 4. We bend forward, we wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We actually do 7 of these, and 8 is when we do our twirl. And then we drop on the 1. Now for this next part, we're just going to kind of shift back and forth as our arms sort of creep up our body. So we're just shifting like this, back and forth like a waddle, and our arms just come up our body to our neck. So we'll do it again. Walk around over your right shoulder. And again, I'm your mirror in this. So I am doing this. The camera picked me up backwards, and I just left it because that way you can mirror me as I'm doing this, and then you'll be doing it the correct way. You have your 7 waves, and then swirl and drop. You shift back and forth as your arms creep up your body and to the neck. Now this next part, your fingers are going to go down as your wrists come up, and your head is going to go back. Now I'm doing this movement by switching my heel. Again, in the film, you can't really tell what she's doing with her lower half of the body, but I believe she might be doing a swivel with her heel. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just moving my heel in and out. And you're going to do 4 of these with your head up, and then 4 of these with your head facing forward. Now for this next move, this is another move inspired by Fosse. You're just moving your elbows. You're keeping your fists in this position, and then you're moving your elbows behind your back. You're leading with the elbows. So you're keeping your elbows really tight to your body as you wave the wrists out. This is kind of like before where you move the elbows first and then the wrists. So you lead with the elbows and then the wrists, and then the fists follow. But you keep your hands in those fists. We do 4 walks going forward with your head straight, and then 4 walks with your head tilting to the side. 3, 4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so going to the top again, we walk around over our right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look front on 8. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn 8. 1. Come up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Head goes back 1, 2, 3, 4. We look front 5, 6, 7, 8. Fosse walk 1, 2, 3. Tilt the head 5, 6, 7, 8. So for this next part, this is my favorite move in the whole dance. Our heels are just shifting back and forth. So my weight is forward on the balls of my feet, and I'm just shifting my hips back and forth. And then my arms are swinging up and back and up and back. And so doing this at the same time is a little bit tricky, but once you get the feet down, you just add the arms in. Swing and shimmy, 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 swing and swing. Just doing it at the same time is the key. So we're going to go back to the beginning of this whole part 2. We walk around 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, look 8, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn 8, drop 1, up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, head back, 1, 2, 3, 4, head forward, 6, 7, Fosse walk, 1, 2, 3, tilt the head, 5, 6, 7, 8, shimmy, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So for this next part, our arms are going to shift from the right and then left, right. So you have right and then left, right. And again, I'm just moving the heel along with my arms. Your head is actually going the opposite way as your arms. So your arms go to the right as your head goes to the left. Then you do a little shimmy and you drop down. So let's try that again from the Fosse walk. We have 5, 6, 7, 8, shimmy, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then our little shimmy down, 6, 7, 8. Then we have our little scoop around the neck, and then we do our little salsa step with our right arm up first and then our left arm. The feet are just going 1, 2, 3, switch, 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, shimmy, 7, 8. Our arms come up right over left, little scoops around the head. Then we have our salsa. We're just swirling our wrists around. Then our arm comes up, right arm comes up. Then we drop down. This is the very last part. We swing our left arm up and over. Then we have our last little shoulder rolls. So let's do this from the top again. We walk around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn 8, walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, turn 8, drop 1, 2, 3, come up 4, 5, 6, 7, head back 1, 2, 3, 4, look front 6, Fosse walk 1, 2, 3, tilt the head 5, 6, 7, shimmy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, arms 1, 2, 3, 4, shimmy 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, arm 8, drop 1, and then swing the arm and shoulder, shoulder. So now we're going to try this with the music, but very slowed down. Just like in the last video, you're going to want to try it slowly at first, and then eventually you can do it up to speed. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like videos like this, or especially if you're an engaged couple, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. I post helpful, inspiring, or entertaining videos at least once a week, sometimes more, and I would love to have you here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!